Jai Gurudev. Happy morning, children. Today I am here to help you learn about missions and computer. Do you know what is a mission? Missions are man-made things that make our work easy. Missions save our time and energy. We use many types of missions in our daily life. Can you tell me about some mission name that we use daily? Yes, television, fan, car, washing machine, refrigerator, calculator, juicer, yes, table fan, etc. We use more tools or missions in our daily life. Some missions work on electricity. Some missions work on manpower. That is, for example, some missions work on electricity is television, fan, washing machine. That is, we use television to watch movies and washing machine to wash our clothes. Manpower means what? We use bicycle, know how it is moving. We have to pedal it, then only we can move the bicycle, or the bicycle will move from its place. And another example is hand pump. If you press it, pump only will get water from it. Nowadays only we are having the tap and we are getting the water directly by opening the tap. In those days they will use this hand pump and give pressure, then only they can get water from the ground. Then rickshaw. Rickshaw also like cycle only. You have to give your manpower and pedal it, then only it can move from the place. And there are also some machines that run on fuel. Say for example, you all know car, bike, aeroplane, bus, trucks, etc. For this, without fuel, it will not move from the place. You know what is a fuel? It is a material like petrol or diesel that is burned to produce power of heat, and with that help this vehicle will all move. And one important thing that machines have some common things in them, that is they work fast, they save time, and they make our work easy. They cannot work on their own, they save our energy. Do you know that a computer is also a machine? Yes, computer runs on electricity. Computer saves our time and makes our work easier. Computer works very fast. Now we are going to see next Roman letter. Write T for true and F for false statements. We have to read the given statement. If it is correct, we are going to say it is true. If it is not correct, you are going to say false. Let us start now. Number 1, missions save our energy. Yes, it is correct. So we are going to write T, that is true. Second one is machines can work on their own. Machines can work on their own? No, it is false. So you are going to write F. Machines do not work fast. So it is correct or wrong? It is false, because machines work very fast. Next, fourth question. All machines run on electricity. All the machines run on electricity only? No. So we are going to write false. Computer is also a machine? Yes. So we are going to write true. Now come for match the following. The pictures are given for you. You are going to match the pictures with the given answer. First one, television. Next, bicycle. Third, fan. Fourth, car. Fifth one, iron box. So you are going to match with the correct answers. Next, what is a computer? Two options given for you. A machine or toy. So computer is a toy or machine? Is a machine. So you are going to tick the answer machine and you can put wrong mark in the toy. Next, you can practice the fun activity given in the lesson. So make a list of machines that run on electricity, manpower and fuel. I hope you all understood about machines and computer. Now let us see the summary of the lesson which is given in Zoom in. Repeat after me. Machines save our time. Machines cannot do their work on their own. Some machines work on manpower. A computer is also a machine. Now we will see the book exercise. Tick the correct option. What makes our work easy? So you have to select the correct answer. Three choices given for you. A. Ball. B. Machines. And C. Phone. Which is the correct answer? Machines. What makes our work easy? Machines. Second one. Which one of the following is a machine? Three options given. Calculator, sky, water. Which is the correct answer? Calculator. Now third one. Which one of the following runs on electricity? Three pictures given for you. Rickshaw, washing machine and bicycle. Which is the correct answer? Washing machine. Number 4. Which one of the following runs on fuel? A. Aeroplane. B. Computer. C. Calculator. Which is the correct answer? A. Aeroplane.